Hello friends, this is tutorial number 17 in this series of Java programming language tutorials. In the last tutorial we worked with strings operation and we started with splitting strings. As you can see, we have this. We splitted our string test with space, and as we can see now, let me just comment this. Test1 is already one array, and because of that we cannot print it with system out print line, and we printed first element of this array, which is I. And okay, and now if we want to print test1 first element, and it would be M, because we don't have spaces, and now we have array of element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and first element of this array is M, because I is already element 0. Now if we want last element 6, it will be the world. And I forgot test1. Okay, element 6 is world. Of course, if we try to print element 7, we will get a crash, because we don't have element number 7 in this array. Okay, let me go back with 6. It should be enough. Okay, let me try couple more examples. Let's comment this. We will comment this all with // and now I can comment this also. I will make another string. It will be we will type test, but what can we will write, for example, like Frankie tilde goes to tilde, and we will type Hollywood. And I don't know if I spell Hollywood good or not, but you'll know the song Relax, don't do it. Okay, no matter, I like, maybe you don't like, I don't have the words, but rhythm is the good, no problem. That's Frankie goes to Hollywood, and relax, no problem. And we want to, if we just print, but we want to split this. Let's try first. Okay, we want to print Frankie goes to Hollywood. Okay, we will print test, draw space, and but Frankie goes to Hollywood. We don't want this tilde. How can we print that without tilde? Okay, let's try. Of course, there is two ways. We will, for example, we will do the same thing like with previous string. Okay, we will test1 equals, it is a new string, but it needs to be an array, is test dot split split with tilde. Okay, and we can now let's try to print it, of course. System out print line, and we will do. We split tilde, and now we have array of 3 elements. Frankie 0 goes 1, 2 is 2, and Hollywood is 3. Let's try to print this. Okay, we will try. Test 1 0 plus, we will make some space, plus test 1, and first element, which will be goes, and we need space, plus test 1 will be second element, and let me continue writing. Let's try to new line. We need a plus, we need again a space. Okay, and we need a third element. Test 1 third element. And now we will see what we will get, if it will be right. Let me see, let me check, and this is Frankie goes to Hollywood without tilde. Okay, which is great. And of course this is an array, and we will try to do with loop. For example, integer x equals 0, x less than it is test. We will use test dot length. Just a moment. Test 1. It will be test 1 because we need this is an array, and semicolon, we will put x plus plus. We have some error. Let me check. Yes, brackets, we deleted the brackets, we don't need them. And now we will print system out print line. It will be test 1 of x. Okay, let's try to print it. Of course, we don't need to comment. We can separate this with some. We will put some stars to separate this. Okay. Now let's try to run it, and we have Frankie goes to Hollywood, and okay. But everything is all elements of array are in the different lines. Frankie, new line goes, new line 2, new line Hollywood, and let me just try to plus. Let's try to use. We will add the space. We will see what we will get, and it's the same thing. Let me check. And if we want to print in the same line, in most often we use system out print line, but we need We need only system out print with spaces. I will show you. Okay, Frankie goes to Hollywood. And if, for example, we left this space, it will be all together. And because of that, we need a space. Okay, and let me save, and it's okay. Okay, I hope that you understand it. In the next tutorial, we will do some more steps with this string operations to you. For it will be easier to you to understand it well. If you like my tutorial, my video, you can subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to you also can use to follow me on Instagram, and you will get notified about new tutorials that I will make. I will try to make new videos every day, and we will continue learn programming in Java language. Okay, that will be all, and we will continue in the next tutorial.